Welcome to today's lesson. Today we shall be talking on consonant vowel combination. Again, consonant vowel combination. This means joining a consonant and a vowel together to form two sounds. Again, joining a consonant and a vowel together to form a single sound. And we are going to begin with consonants and the vowel sound A. We are going to start with the vowel sound A. Now, the first consonant is the sound B. Again, sound B. Then, plus sign means put together with the sound A is going to give us Ba. Again, Ba. Again, we take the consonant sound B added to the sound A is going to give us Ba. Again, Ba. We take the next consonant, which is K, added to the vowel A is going to give us Ka. Again, Ka. The next consonant is the consonant sound D. Again, D. Added to the vowel sound A is going to give us the sound Da. Again, Da. Again, Da. We take the next consonant F, added to the vowel A is going to give us the sound Fa. Again, Fa. The next sound is the consonant G, added to the vowel A is going to give us Ga. Again, Ga. We take the next consonant again, added to the vowel A is going to give us Ha. Again, Ha. The next consonant is J. Again, J. Added to the vowel A is going to give us Ja. Again, Ja. We take the next consonant K. Again, K. Added to the vowel A. Again, A is going to give us Ka. Again, Ka. Now we are going to read the two sounds put together. What we have, build. We are going to have Ba, Ka, Da, Fa, Ga, Ha, Ja, Ka, and many more. We go again. Ba. Again, Ba. Ka. Again, Ka. Da. Again, Da. Fa. Again, Fa. Ga. Again, Ga. Ha. Again, Ha. Ja. Again, Ja. Then we go to the next one, Ka. Again, Ka. And we have many more like L, A, La. We have A, Ma. We have A, Na. We have P, A, Pa, and so on and so forth. So, for beginners, you must know that we have to take consonants, we add them to vowels together to build two words with the sound which will be readable. So these consonants like B, K, D, F, Ga, Ch, K, added to the vowel A together gave us the following words: Ba, Ka, Da, Fa, Ga, Ha, Ja, Ka. So, in our next lessons, we are going to do more words combining consonants with the vowel A to build two-letter sounds. Thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe.